Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's try to solve a Python program, that is develop a Python code to print the sum of the even numbers using for loop and range function, that is including 0 and 100. So given the problem statement, that is you have to iterate using the for loop, that is between the 0 to 100, and also you have to use a range function and you have to get the sum of all the even numbers between them, and finally print the sum. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a total variable, total equals to 0. So let's initialize the total variable to 0. So this I'll be using it to store the sum of all the even numbers between 0 to 100. So once we are done with initialization, so let me use the for loop, and let's use number and get the range between 0 to 100. So I'll use for number in range of 101. So I'll be using 101 in order to get the including 100 value as well, that is the range from 0 to 100 it will provide me. So once we are done generating the range and iterating the numbers, so let's use if statement to check if the number is an even number. So let's take a number and modulate it with the 2. So if we get the remainder as 0, so it is referred as an even number. So let's add the even number to the total, that is total equals to total plus the number. Yeah, so this is the for loop, and I'm using the range function to get the, that is sum of all the even numbers. So once the for loop gets completed, I'll be getting the total value, that is sum of all the numbers will be stored in that variable. So let's use a print function called to print the sum of all the even numbers. So let me copy paste the same, that is sum of even numbers. So let's use including 0 to 100. So let's use colon, and let's provide the total variable over here. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program or the Python code to print the sum of even numbers. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. You can see the sum of all the even numbers, that is from 0 to 100, that is inclusive of 100 is 2550. Yeah, so this is a complete Python code to print the sum of even numbers up to 0, that is up to 100. So I'll be giving this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.